Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Defacto app. If we click on settings, in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go to above and you can search about Defacto app and you will click. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.